So the next part in the process here for tuning up this mower is just changing the oil. I did run it for about 5 minutes and get the oil nice and warm, so it helps it all drain out. You can see it's pretty much all drained out there, pretty black. So we'll give that a bit of a change. So I've got the mower flipped back up on its side there. The oil is finished draining out. I'm going to put some new oil in it. Today's oil of choice, just because it happened to be on sale, is Pennzoil 10W30. You can use just straight SAE 30 weight oil in your lawnmower, your summer type machines. And what I've got here is a funnel, has actually some lines on there to show how much liquid I have. So that's kind of nice. You're looking at about, I usually start out with between 450 milliliters, so about 12 to 14 ounces. And what I like about this is it actually has a shut-off valve, so I can put it in there. It helps prevent messes, and I just like this setup. It works for me. And once again, I think this funnel may be about 10 bucks at Canadian Tire. So just open up the valve here and drain all that oil into the machine, and then I'll check it. So I've just waited a minute or two to let all that oil kind of settle down into the bottom of the sump here so I get an accurate reading. So what I usually do on these Briggs and Strattons and Tecumseh's, what you do is just put your oil cap in and then you tighten it. Then you pull it out. And the first one I don't usually use as a mark. I usually just kind of wipe it off, put it in there one more time, let it set for a second, pull it out, and then take a look at the dipstick. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that depending on the reflection. But it actually is just about perfect right on the edge of that, where that circle is. It's got to be in between those two circles. So it's pretty much right at the top edge. I don't know if you can see that, but it's perfect. So that was about 450 milliliters. And that's about, I would say it's about 14 ounces.